Hey, I'm Ian Flanigan. We're out here in Nashville, Tennessee with Brian from BMS Motorsports. We're about to have my truck outfitted with my favorite Kicker speakers. And this is Brian.
Hey, what's up everybody? So we always team up with Kicker. They give us a little country music guy here coming up in the world, so congratulations.
Thank you.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go upstairs, we're gonna get with Nick, we're gonna get you some stuff and make him sound better is what's gonna happen.
Thank you, man. All right, I'm here with Nick, master speaker expert at BMS, and he's gonna tell us a little bit about what's going on in the truck.
What's up, guys? Like you said, Nick with BMS Motorsports, and we're gonna hook him up with some great Kicker audio. Kicker is a great company to be working with, and they sent them our way, and we greatly appreciate it. So what we're gonna be doing to his F-250 is upgrading the speakers with the Kicker KS 6.5s in the back door, 6x9s in the front door. So now he's gonna be super loud, super clear, and crisp. And then we can't ever forget about the bass. So we're gonna be putting some of the Kicker CompRT subwoofers underneath the back seat. So now he has the bass to keep up with the speakers. Super clean, super clear. It's gonna rock. He's gonna be ready to listen to all his demos in his vehicle. So he's ready to get hooked up.
All right, guys, we had a great time. Thank you, BMS Motorsports. If you need your truck outfitted, make sure you get your butt up here and let them take care of you. Have a great day.